With the goal of helping athletes save an average of 3.15% on running expenses during the marathon distance, the racer is progressively expanding its selection of styles. The Big Cat brand's best long-distance footwear product has surfaced in a mismatched, multicolored ensemble ahead of summer. The style of the silhouette is aggressive by nature, but the bold pink, yellow, and blue accents and asymmetrical color blocking of the recently released pair's makeover further draw attention. The new NITROFOAM Elite foam is layered with the breathable and lightweight ULTRAWEAVE material across the upper. With the latter's well-known PUMAGRIP traction favoring a fast-looking bright yellow, both aspects play to the summertime color scheme. Ahead, take an official look of the most recent Fast R Nitro Elite 3. Pairs should be available for $300 on Puma.com soon.